Introducing the FormulaEBike, the ultimate solution for urban commuting. This compact ride features a removable external battery for quick charging on the go. With a user-friendly display, you can easily activate the instrument switch. The powerful 36V 250W rear motor ensures smooth rides, while the high-quality belt drive offers silent and efficient transmission. The 36V 9.6Ah battery provides reliable power for longer journeys. Enjoy the convenience of folding it up for easy transport around the city. And don't forget, customers can choose from 6 vibrant color options to match their unique style.